This upload is a live stream from my Twitch channel, Some European Chick. If you want to read along, go over to twitch.tv/someeuropeanchick or follow the link in the description. I also suggest purchasing the official scans or translations and reading along with those open as well, for a better experience and to support the creators behind the works that I've featured in my streams. Links are in the description.
The sensor overlay will stay like this. I thought it's the best if I do it like this. I might be wrong. If I get any copyright strikes on my channel, we're gonna know that I'm wrong. But for now, let's test it like this. Okay, so let's move on. Ceramic classes. Hawa, she appeared. She and her fake boobs. What happened? Oh, she slapped his head. Human, hurry up and let me kill something. I thirst for blood. I can forgive some craziness as long as she's pretty. The issue is how I'm gonna touch those boobs. What the fuck? Oh my god, Denji. Fiends, wait, what? Oh, fiends are targets for extermination, same as devils. But Pawa has high mental faculty, so I put her in Hayakawa's squad. So she is, as we know, an exception to the rule. Power is special. No one's like Power. The horns will attract attention, so only patrol places with little traffic. If you run into any civilians, devil hunters, or get questioned by the police, we're with Public Safety Devil Extermination Special Division 4, sirs. Denji, I love him. He's so cute. If you tell them that and show them your badge, they should scowl and leave you alone. As I've said before, Public Safety Devil Extermination Special Division 4 is an experimental squad. If it can't deliver results, the higher-ups might break it up at any time. You two know what will happen to you then, right? There aren't any devils at all. Likely because of me. Before I became a fiend, I was a greatly feared devil. The nobody devils all flee from my scent, I'm sure. Wait, what? Then how are you going to deliver results? If you have any questions, ask Hayakawa. He's the one who paired you two up. Who's Hayakawa? Oh, that's Aki. Okay. I love Denji and Pawa too. The jerk. He set me up, didn't he? His face and his face. What the fuck? He teamed me up with Pawa to keep me from showing what I got. He's trying to force me out. I smell blood. She's getting crazy. Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. Where do you think you're going? She's fast. Fight time, battle time. Where did that... Oh, her blood made that hammer? Oh, well, I love Chainsaw Man because of the devil designs. They're so... cosmic horror. I love it. The scene is locked down and civilians are evacuated. Hi. Requesting backup at Nerima Station. Nerima Station? I've been there. It's the CQ company. The what? The sea cucumber devil. And he repeated it too. Sea cucumber devil. Huh? I said the sea. Honestly, the comedy is so subtle but so on point. I love it. I love Fujimoto's sense of humor. It's really my type. Cucumber. I did it. The glory is mine. Gah. Look at her. Love it. Love it. I looked insane, to be honest. You going? Bye, chat, Sidant. Suda books. It's considered obstruction of justice when a public safety hunter kills a devil a civilian hunter is already engaged with. Oh. Normally you'd get arrested for it. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna be watching from YouTube though. Oh, okay. Then see you on YouTube. Pawa, you need to think a little more before you act. And you, Denji, you need to keep her under control. Really? You're blaming me too? Pawa, since you were the blood devil before you became a fiend, battling using blood is your specialty. Well, yeah. But you're so excitable, maybe you weren't cut out to be a devil hunter. This guy said to kill it, he did. Oh! I love the banter. Everyone is so scared of this fucking bitch. Oh, hold on. Ugh. My god. Look at her shivering. I never said that. Not even close. You're really gonna lie and throw me under the bus like that? I'm not lying. He said it. This human commanded me to kill the devil. It's true. What a creep. Seriously. Miss Makima, this devil is a liar. You should be arrested. You're gonna get arrested for the crime of lying and... Wait, what does it say? Defamery or whatever. Defamery. No, this deceiver told me to do it. Devils can't lie. Only humans lie. That's not a thing. You're the proof, stupid face, you lying liar. Humans tell nasty lies. I only did as I was told. 'Tis true. Quit talking all weird to sound cooler than you are. It's so creepy. I love their interaction. Your watch time is going up? God, I love these two so much. It is going up. Thank you. Can you be quiet? Dude, how can she be so powerful? She shut up immediately. I can't. Huh? Good girl power. Honestly, I don't really care which of you was at fault. I want to see big things from you two. Do you think you can show me that? She's so creepy. I'll show you. He's so confused. Maybe this isn't the time to be thinking about touching boobs. Maybe. Meow. Aww. Getting to have soft drinks is like a dream come true to me. But if we keep screwing up, it'll be way worse than not getting to have soft drinks anymore. Still, I can't work with some liar chick. I can only get along with cats. Cute. I hate humans. Not because they did anything to me. It's like a devil instinct. I just do. And I hate devils too. Because a devil made off with my pet, Meowy. I know that arc. I know that arc. I look so dark and it's annoying me. Makima caught me before I could get Meowy back. Meowy might already be dead, but I can't give up. If I could just get Meowy back from that devil, I'd do anything. Even ally with a human. I doubt you'd understand such sentiment for the likes of a cat. For a cat? That's stupid. I'd do anything to touch some boobs, though. These two idiots. What are they called in Japan? Bakapuru. I love it. Sure enough, I can't comprehend humans. Oh, but if it was a dog, I might get it. What if I said I'd let you touch my chest if you got Meowy back from the devil for me? The damn devil! Oh? How dare they kidnap a poor cat? Oh? So cute. Oh my god, I love them. It's totally unforgivable, right? Yeah. As a devil hunter, I can't let them get away with it. Yeah. I'll murderize that devil. Murderize the devil. Cute. Your daily request for the fiend power is approved. Be back by 5 o'clock. So they have a curfew? They're really just Makima's slaves, huh? No! The stream is dying. Okay, now the quality is back again. No, it's dying again! Damn it. You can't even go out on your own? Nope. I was so bored being in here all the time. Damn. Kinda rough. Service. What? Hold on. This scene, it looks like it's in the 1920s or something. Maybe not 20s, but 30s? What the hell? This dude is wearing a hat. It looks, and this, and this. It doesn't look like the timelines match up. Weird. I know where to find the devil who took Meowy. How do you know it? The problem is that only you can fight it. Why? If it sees me, it'll use Meowy as a shield. Okay. Kinda smart. Or a fiend, devil, whatever. Why do you always read when I'm at work? I'm sorry. I have to. Because of my internet connection. It's pretty bad at other times. I need to stream before noon if I don't want any interruptions, any lags, and so on. Or the stream to die, God forbid, which happened when I streamed in the evening. The problem is that only you can fight it. If it sees me, it'll use Meowy as a shield. Then it would be checkmate. He's just... I don't want to spoil anything, but... I had a pet too. This devil named Pochta. I can't ever pet him again, but it's okay. Because he's alive inside me, right in here. Humans are so foolish. Say what? That means Pochta died, does it not? The dead have no life. They're in my heart or whatever. That's pathetic consolation. Hamza, I am reading Chainsaw Man right now. And hi. I love how the title is A Way to Touch Some Boobs. Is it? No, it's service. Oh, but oh, you're right, service. Oh, yeah, okay, you're right. Yeah, you're so right. You can't say anything to those boobs. There's no way I can be friends with this chick. Do you still like Makima? Why? What are your standards? I was about to say Denji. This looks cute. The Soviet warhawks are getting louder over the American matter. We're also hearing rumors that they're using devils for military purposes. So this has to take place before the 90s, maybe before the 80s, 1980s. In an alternative reality, of course. So the Soviet Union is a thing there, okay. We can only pray that the devils remain Japan's only enemies. Makima, are the dogs in the squad we gave you coming along? I have one dog that's promising and one that's interesting. Now who's who? Interesting? A puppy I recently took in. Okay, now I know who's who. Tap, tap. Your job is to train dogs and use them. That's... The dog memes are getting wilder with each chapter. Be sure not to get attached. She always has the same expression on, and it's freaky, and her eyes are freaky. Slam. Okay. Denji is disgusting. There's nothing interesting about him. Why do you have such high hopes for him? All devils are born with a name. You're a big fan from Morocco. Oh, thank you. Hi to Morocco. Greetings from Austria. The more that name is feared, the more powerful the devil itself. What does that have to do with Denji? Coffee has no scary mental image whatsoever. If there was a coffee devil, it would probably be weak. Oh. Oh. But what if there was a car devil? That conjures up the mental image of getting run over and dying, so that might be strong. Denji can turn into the chainsaw devil. Which is why it is scarier and more powerful. But what's scarier than a chainsaw? Honestly, all murder weapons are scary. A meat grinder. His heart is in the right place, yeah. I mean, not in the right place, but he's getting there. Oh. I really do think that's interesting. It's interesting and nothing more. He's useless. Only people with goals or convictions serve in public safety. But him, he said all he wants is to live the easy life. And if that is not a powerful conviction, I don't know what is. He isn't fit for public safety. Not to mention he thinks he can become friends with devils. He's still a brat. Just some brat. It's that house. Where the fuck did they go? Meowy and the devil are in there. So let's get our butts over there. Man, I don't really want to go all chainsaw on it, because I'll get faint. Oh? Go chainsaws? Yeah, I can turn into chainsaw. Human jests are so unamusing. Come on, bitch. Huh? Yeah, what is it? Isn't it gonna use your cat as a hostage if you show up? You can't come this close with me, right? Oh, was that my story? Story? A slip of the tongue, it was. Oh my god. I completely forgot about this. I just remember the bat-like monster. Oh my god. Where did he get this from? Ah! Fuck. Ugh. He's a fool, but he had good intuition. You made me wait for quite some time, Blood Devil. I thought you'd run away. Don't complain. I had to wait that long till I could finally get outside too. Oh, yeah, now I remember. Meowy is not a cute little cat she has to save. It was that monster that she brought food for. I love how he fell for that bullshit story just because of boobs. Power is literally a boob trap, yeah. Bat, I brought you a human, just as you wished. My first meal in so long. This is a big thing. Why doesn't it just go out in the night and hunt some humans? Is it so scared of dying at the hands of devil hunters? A young male. Looks like I'll get to drink blood brimming with life force. Ah! Look at my arm, human. You damn humans did this to me. This infernal wound forced me to hide my grand self. Okay, so that's why. Like a care idiot, my meal barks. Humans carved this wound upon me, so I'll heal it with human blood. Yeah! Fuck. Oh my god. Huh? You taste disgusting! He crushed his organs. Now I've gone and regenerated from disgusting blood because of you. What a revolting taste. Ew. You look revolting, to be honest. I'll have to eat other humans to get rid of this taste. So no boobs then? What do you want? To be friends with devils? I can't believe you took my story for truth. Humans really are foolish. More! I messed up chatting on Twitch about Solo Level because I didn't think to use YouTube. Wait, what? Meowy's whereabouts. We're still calling the bat devil Meowy. Oh, I'm so dark all the time. Come on. The smell of cigarettes, makeup, and medicine. No, that's not a bad smell. I've settled on children to cleanse my palate. Fuck. Bat devil. She looks cute, though. She looks cute. I brought you a human as promised. Now give Meowy back. Okay, so there is a Meowy. We're talking about, oh yeah. Ah, yes. Was that the deal? Oh my god. This is so ridiculous. But it's cute. Meow. Meowy! You're on your cell phone. Yeah, YouTube is easier to use when you're on your cell phone. But I still haven't punished you for bringing me disgusting blood, have I? Meow, meow. Meow. Fuck. Meowy. Oh no. Oh my god, so dirty. Oh my god. Meowy, your name shall be Meowy. For a cat, you smell tasty. Oh my god, meow. Oh my god. You're all skin and bones. The me thinks I'll fatten you up a little before I eat you. Cow. Oh my god. Click. Hurry and grow big. I'm eager to kill you. Meow. Look at how fat this thing got. Oh my god. It's cute, the bond that they have. I've always killed everything that met my gaze. It feels strange to hear a voice that isn't screaming. So strange. Blood devil. Meow. I need blood. Bring me a human if you want the cat to live. Oh my god. So she sacrificed everything. She became a captive of this Makima squad. Just for the sake of this cat. Goddamn. Gulp. She's so in shock. You said you can't pet Pochta anymore. I know how you feel. This is an awful feeling, isn't it? She gave up on her life because she lost the cat. Oh my god. Oh no! Oh no. Disgusting. Nothing but disgusting blood. Ah, my mouth tastes revolting. Oh. Excuse me. I haven't slept enough today. I must rinse it out with the blood of children. Why is it always children? After I've gargled, I'll have a virgin as an appetizer. What? For the soup, a healthy woman of ripe age. The main course will be a good plump man. And for dessert, I desire a pregnant woman. Huh? Denji's safe power, yeah. I'm just here to say hello. See you on your next solo stream. Okay, hi. And bye. The next one will be up today, probably. Maybe tomorrow. I mean, up. The stream of today is going to be up today or tomorrow on YouTube. So you can rewatch it. And the next stream, I can't stream next week. Because I'm in Bosnia. I don't know if I can stream the week after next week. In 3 weeks again. I'm sorry, but it is what it is. Family time, you know, Christmas holidays. But yeah. How is he still able to move in his human form? Give me back my boobs! You're drinking my blood? How vile he is drinking his blood. I do not have any desire to drink your blood. Okay. There was this one time Pochta went missing. Pochta wasn't there when I woke up. I looked all over town and still couldn't find him. Oh, I thought he'd been eaten by a devil. But when I got home, Pochta was there waiting for me, crying. I remember being so relieved that we fell asleep together right on the spot. This is so cute. What is it, Epi? Oh my god. After Meowy, Attack on Titan Part 2 trailer dropped. Okay. I mean, it is a month before it starts airing. It was high time. Not a month. It's 2 weeks, right? Before it starts airing. 2, 3 weeks? It doesn't matter. Ooh, I'm gonna watch it after the stream. Thank you for telling me. After Meowy got taken by a devil, how did she feel when she went to sleep at night? Oh no. Oh my fucking god, guys. Attack on Titan Season 4 Part 2 just dropped. Look at that. This looks so funny, though. Yeah, this looks great. This looks great. I love it. Oh my god! I love all these pochta doodles we have at the end of each chapter. Okay, so... Oh my god, that's an extra. Okay. Hey, don't throw away your apple peels. These are edible. Cute. If you don't want the skin, give it to me. I'll eat it. Oh my god. Give me your scabs. This got progressively worse. Give me your scabs. I can eat those. No way. Why not? They're nutritious. Denji, what kind of life have you lived? Oh my god. Okay, so that was the end of volume 1. We're starting volume 2 now. Look at that. Look at that. That's power. And her boobs. I love the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Okay. Okay. Yeah, first year's Fire Punch. Everyone should read Fire Punch. It's so good. It changed me. You can find the volume. I'm gonna put the links in the YouTube description, but on I think Comixology. Was it Comixology? And Viz. It's all the Viz media translation. You can find it on the Viz media website and buy it there. Yes. Chainsaw Devil gave up his heart to Denji, becoming part of his body. Yeah, we don't need to read it, but this looks so good. I mean, and this too, the art is just so good. I love Fujimoto. Yeah, we don't need to read that. That's just a recap. Chainsaw versus Bat. A devil? Ugh. Oh, yeah. Crush into a building. Ow, ow, ow. Idiot. You're gonna get eaten. And ran away. You let a human get away? But you're a devil. What is it you want? He wants boobs. Just wants boobs. To split your belly open and touch those boobs. Oh my god. I mean, thank god he didn't chew. Meowy and Power. He just swallowed them, right? I hope so. I'm dark again. Bro. Oh my god, so much damage. Oh my god. It's as if we're watching a Hollywood superhero movie. Damn. Can a fool who protects humans cut through this? Whoa. He caught a car with his bare hands. Oof. He caught a car. My chainsaw can retract? Such strength in that puny body. Why would you use that strength to save humans? Who said I saved him? Huh? Like I care about some guy's stupid life? Oh my god, Denji. Oh my god. Yeah! Oh. What the fuck? What the fuck is that? What the fuck? What the fuck? Wow. What the fuck is happening? Did his mouth distort? Oh my god. But look at this. I love the art. The art is so good. I love it. It reminds me so much of Akira with the details to the backgrounds and the buildings. So good. Everyone should read Akira, the manga. It's so good and so much better than the anime movie from the 80s. Oh my god. First, I must regenerate. Yeah, it looks so disgusting. This blood reeks of tobacco, but I'll tolerate it right now. Vroom, vroom. I watched the movie, but I haven't read the manga. You should read the manga. So much better and so much more material in the manga. I think Akira is the closest thing to perfection you can have in the manga genre, or in any genre. How are you alive? Oh my god, I ask myself the same thing. Oh my, his fingers are broken. Because even though I've been nothing but patient through a whole bunch of awful crap, I still haven't touched them even a little. This is what keeps a man going. Oof, stay away from me. Oh my god. Disgusting. Ugh, yeah, do read it. So much just to touch some boobs, such a righteous MC. Yeah, true. True. All of this just for some boobs. Oh god. I love the art. Thank god this is censored. I hope this is censored correctly. Bird power. Cow. She's eating every animal. I'm sorry, I just thought she was eating the bear's ass before I saw the head here. Oh my god. Eating a bear's ass, imagine. But this is a cute montage. This is so cute. And here you can see that the boobs are not as big as when Denji gets to know her. Meowy. Bring me a human if you want the cat to live. So sad. All lives are equally trivial. It's merely a cat. No. That's not, I mean, that is true. All lives are equal. Then why am I running? Why am I searching for a human? To save Meowy? Oh my god. What a foolish reason. Oh no. I love blood. The taste, the smell, feeling death, and I recently discovered for the first time, meow. You're beckoning it with the finger. Look at the paws. That blood is nice and warm. Aww. Cute. Yeah, thank God they weren't chewed up. They're just stored inside of that beast's belly. Meow. Oh, so cute. If you ignore the innards lying around, it's such a cute scene. Look at them. Oh, disgusting. Meow. Oh, it's meow. Why did you save me? I tried to kill you. You promised me the boobs. He's really just pointing it. I love him. I love him so much. What a foolish reason. I'm sorry I deceived you. Meowy survived. I'll let you touch my chest. Oh yeah! Oh my god. Oh my god. Not a single minute to rest. Ow! Oh, the pain. The fuck? Oh my god. Oh my god. Jump. Can you move? Not a finger. Take Meowy and run. Boom. Oh my god. It must hurt so much every time. This is so disgusting. God, my chainsaws won't come out. Do I not have enough blood? This is so disgusting. How does he come up with the designs? Like, just when I finally found him, you're the one who killed Batty, aren't you? He was my boyfriend. He was my boyfriend. Oh no. Leech Devil, that's what it's called. Oh, on closer inspection, you have a cute face. It'd be cruel to kill such a cutie. You may go. And those two behind me? I'll kill them. Aww. So cute. Then die. I love the art. I love it so much. Okay, one more chapter. One more chapter. Bam, kabam. Oh my god. Would he really fight a devil like this merely to touch some breasts? He would. But he also has a good heart. I love the art. Ugh. Oh my god. You're kidding me, right? Bat got killed by this pathetic little puppy dog. The dog metaphors, they're persistent in this manga. Bat and I dreamed of eating all the humans together. An impossible dream, but sublime and beautiful. And it's been shattered by some insignificant puppy dog. It's a shame about that cute face, but you need to die. Whoosh. I'm not gonna die before I cop a feel. Oh my god. Oh, the tea tastes so good. How stupid for a bat, getting killed by someone with such sleazy desires. So even devils have some moral guides and some sense of shame. That is weird, but interesting. What a foolish reason. Everyone is serious about this but you. Yeah, he feels belittled, right? Every reason is a good reason if you're doing a good thing. I hope. Oh, rah. How? What? Oh. You all gotta look down on the stuff I do. Revenge, protecting your families, saving a cat, blah, blah, blah. You guys all got big important dreams? Lucky you. Let's have a dream battle then. Yeah, a dream battle. He's absolutely right. Motivations and dreams, you cannot make them compete. For what? Like, what gives you value is valuable. And that's all that matters. If I rip you apart, then that makes your dream worth less than touching boobs. Oh, he's barking. How darling. He yaps as much as a puppy. All right. I'll eat you up. Gahaha, go ahead. If you can beat me in a dream battle, that is. He's too horny to die. Yeah. He fights not only for himself, but every monster virgin who has never touched, let alone seen boobs. This is surely the source of his terrifying strength. It is. Unironically, it is. Lunge. Fuck. Oh my god. He's a demon. Yeah. Ho 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 ho. Ah, shit. Thanks for the meal. Who's that now? What the fuck? That looks so cool. That's Aki. Kon. What does that mean? Hey, Naruto came over. Huh? This is the leech devil. Can I swallow it? You may. So he's commanding a devil. I see. Okay. There she is. There she is. And there he is. I remember these two. Leech Devil's extermination confirmed. It looks so sloppily drawn right now that it's dead. No care given to this devil anymore because it's a goner anyway. Newbies, aid and evacuate the survivors. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Himeno, as a senior, you keep watch for devils, please. You got it. The dream battle, the dream battle. You and the Blood Fiend are to be debriefed. What about Meowy? Meow. The cat will go to a veterinary hospital for a full checkup. Cute. Thank God. Okay, so this is enough for today. Next time we're reading chapter 11. Nice! I'm glad. This worked well, right? I think the stream was pretty stable, more or less, I hope. I think the censorship is okay, right? Like you can't see the full thing, but you can see enough to read along or follow along, let's say. So good. Now that both the YouTube and the Twitch chat are working, but I am gonna configure the YouTube chat because this looks unreadable in the stream. I'm gonna keep it that way and stream on both platforms at the same time. And the upload for this stream on my YouTube channel is gonna be today or tomorrow, I'm gonna see. But hey, thank you for stream. Can't wait for you to catch up and start making Chainsaw Man memes. I did already make a few, but just using Makima. And I made some like Buddhist memes or whatever. I don't remember that much, but I didn't make a few, just a couple of memes where no context is needed. Maybe for Makima and her role, but nothing else. But yeah, okay, I'm glad you enjoyed, and thank you for joining me. I really can't read anything alone. I'm a lost case. All right. So, see you again in 3 weeks, I think. I can't stream while I'm in Bosnia with my family for the holidays. And by the way, have a great holiday or season or whatever you celebrate or don't celebrate. Have a nice time until next. Until we see each other in 3 weeks ourselves. Yeah, we need to see ourselves. Okay then. Bye bye.